Are you sick of shaving your legs every day? Do your smooth legs only last for a day or two? Well, we have a revolutionary hair removal solution that comes in a Salon professional application system. And Bernadette is here from BodEze to tell us all about an advanced natural formula designed for effective long-term hair removal. So hello, Bernadette.
Hi, Lucy.
Good to see you. So there are so many problems with traditional hair removal methods, aren't there? Shaving removes hair from the surface of your skin so that new hair appears within a day. And what about stubble?
That's the problem with shaving, Lucy. Every time you shave your skin, you have to have that prickly stubble. The other main thing is that it actually removes a layer of your skin each time you shave. And if you're a user of fake tans, then you're always shaving the tan off.
Which we don't want. And you see, hair removal creams contain harsh chemicals that actually melt the hair shafts, but in doing so, also affect the skin by drying them out completely, and new hair growth appears within days. Now, I'm sure most women have experienced those hair removal methods. I know I certainly have. But surely waxing, Bernadette, it must be better.
Oh, it's better probably than shaving, I think, but it lasts for 4 to 6 weeks. And also waxes are made with paraffins and resins. So to take a wax off your skin, it's a lot harder. You need a solvent-based product, typically a turpentine. And when you take it off the skin with, with your hair, where hair removal has just occurred, you're using it over open follicles, which is a huge problem when you're using, chemicals over your skin.
And you don't want that, do you?
No.
And wax is also applied at a really high temperature, higher than sugaring gels, and they stick to the skin and the hair. So when the wax is pulled off, it pulls both the hair and the skin. And this is why waxing is so blooming painful and causes redness. Often the skin can be left bruised for days. But now we can forget the pain of waxing and the messiness of the spatula applicator, introducing the BodEze Home Salon system. This is the professional hair removal experience in the convenience of your own home. So can you tell us what is so special about the BodEze system?
So the BodEze system is a complete home system where you get a heater which you can use in the comfort of your own home. It keeps the gel at optimal temperature every time you're using it at the right temperature. No more running off to heat the gel up in the microwave. And it's got all natural ingredients. Cleaning up is just so easy. It just washes off in water.
I mean, it sounds fantastic. So this DIY home-based hair removal system can be used to get the same results as going to a salon, and all from the comfort of your own home. And it takes away the need to constantly reheat traditional waxes and takes away the sticky mess and the difficulties of the spatula application. So how is BodEze different to traditional waxes, Bernadette?
So you'll see, Lucy, can I just show you how, you just apply the gel using the heater on your skin. So it goes on really easy. And basically what you're doing is, rooming it off, so it comes off really easy. We're not going to actually take off your hair now because your hands look really good, but it just comes off really easy using a damp towel.
Wow.
So that's how simple it is. Just because of the natural ingredients, it's all water soluble. Easy on the skin, great on the environment, leaves your hand with no, residue and no stickiness on it.
There's absolutely nothing there. So BodEze hair removal gel has enhanced the old Eastern tradition of sugaring with the additives of kiwifruit and aloe vera to remove unwanted hair from the roots effortlessly. For smooth, hair-free skin lasting up to 6 weeks, BodEze is made right here in New Zealand and also has that mess-free application system. So is it easy to use?
Oh, it's really easy to use. As you will see on the screen, we have Alex there using the product. She makes sure that her skin is clean before using it. You're basically taking off any deodorants or any moisturizers on your skin. You apply the gel in the direction of the growth. You remove the gel by holding the skin taut and pulling it off. And then it's easy but at the end of it, you just wash it off with water.
So easy and effective. Can you use it anywhere on your body?
You can use it absolutely anywhere on the body. You can use it on your legs, your arms, your chest, and your back. Really easy and simple.
And what about men?
Men typically use it on their legs, their arms, and their chest and back, which just makes the roll-on system has made it that much easier.
But what about if you have sensitive skin?
So BodEze is made with all natural ingredients, with kiwifruit, aloe vera, lemon juice, and sugar. There are these skin-enhancing properties in these products. However, if you are allergic to kiwifruit or aloe vera, you need to look out, read the ingredients on the pack. But after a user typically uses the product, within 10 to 15 minutes, your skin is back to normal.
Fan-bloomin'-tastic, that's what I say. So why spend thousands of dollars a year on time-consuming, painful, messy, ineffective effective hair removal. The BodEze system is the complete Salon professional hair removal system. So how long will the cartridge last?
Typically what you're getting in this package is the 3 cartridges, so that will last you a full 9-month supply.
Wow. What about the pain factor though?
The pain factor using a sugaring product is down to a minimum because it doesn't adhere to the skin like a wax does. It only merely sits on top of the skin. So when you are removing the hair, you're only pulling the hair, not the skin. Also, it's 20 degrees lower in temperature than a typical wax, so there's no discomfort as well from overheating of the gel.
I'm absolutely loving it. So men and women aged 13 plus who want to get professional waxing results without salon prices, BodEze gel is a unique, world-class natural product that will make other hair removal methods a thing of the past. Now, the key benefits of BodEze home salon system include easy hair removal, eliminates having to constantly reheat the gel, same results as salon professionals, less breakages and ingrown hair, easily washes away with water, gentle on oral areas of the body, less discomfort than other waxes, up to 6 weeks hair-free. So let's have a look and see what Alex says about the BodEze system.
The thing I really like about BodEze is that it's all natural and eco-friendly. I would definitely recommend BodEze to all my friends and family.
Why spend thousands of dollars a year on time-consuming, painful, messy, ineffective hair removal? The BodEze system is the complete salon professional hair removal system with added skin enhancers that will leave your skin naturally soft. And when you order your complete BodEze system, you will get the BodEze cartridge heater and applicator, 150 grams of Kiwifruit gel cartridge, 150 grams of citrus gel cartridge, 25 hair removal strips, 90 grams Kiwifruit exfoliating bar, and your own instruction manual. Thanks for joining us, Bernadette.
Thank you, Lucy.